Hi, my name is Julie Stigmeyer, and I work with the Writing Studio at Concordia University, Irvine. Today I'm going to share a quick writing tip as part of a series so you can incorporate best practices of scholarly writing into your own work. In this video, I will discuss APA 7 guidelines for in-text citations. In-text citations are used as an abbreviated way to refer to research in the text of an academic paper. These then correspond to references at the end of each document. There are several ways you can incorporate in-text citations into your text, so let's look at those distinctions. We'll focus first on narrative and parenthetical citations. In narrative citations, the author name and publication date are incorporated into the text as part of the sentence. And why are these called narrative? Well, you are writing the narrative of your text. Here's an example. Kaler, 2016, noted the dangers of falsely balanced news coverage. Here, the citation begins the sentence with the author name included as part of the narrative, directly followed by the year of publication in parentheses. Differently, in parenthetical citations, the author name and publication date appear in parentheses, often at the end of the sentence. These are parenthetical since they appear usually at the end of the sentence within those parentheses. Here's an example with the same information, but using the parenthetical citation, Kaler with a comma, and then the year 2016. Let's now turn to two types of in-text citations relating to how you incorporate outside work, either as paraphrases or quotations. Building on what we've already covered, here are two examples of how the paraphrases are cited. These are the same citations as before, but here it's helpful to notice only the author and year are included since these are paraphrased. But for quotations, you must do a few more things. You put quotation marks around the exact wording of the author. Then you include the exact location where it came from, most often which is a page number. For a narrative citation, these are divided. Here, Nussbaum et al. Is followed by 2017 in parentheses. Then at the very end of the sentence, after the quote, the page number is included in parentheses. In summary, the guidelines reviewed today related to two types of in-text citations, parenthetical and narrative, and I also covered the differences between citing paraphrases and quotations. So where can you get help with your in-text citations? In Concordia's online writing lab, the OWL. You can access the Writing Studio's website and make an appointment today. You can see helpful links in the description of this video for more information and assistance.